Hi everyone!
Hi everybody!
You might be wondering why we're dressed up like this tonight, given that we're in June and there's currently we've got a heat wave in the UK. We've got a special surprise for you tonight, which we're going to be sharing with you in a minute. I'm Sue.
I'm Roy.
Alright, Pumpkin. And we're ta-ta for now.
Don't like hearing noises, especially when there ain't supposed to be any. Yeah, sort of spooky like.
Okay, so our surprise tonight is a big grand opening.
Yep.
You want to open, Roy?
Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
Well,
I'm not dressed like this for no reason, am I? Jeez. Right, I can't get the damn thing out. Okay, right, okay. Right.
Okay, off we go.
Right.
What is it?
Well, it's an envelope. It's a red envelope. Oh, cracking. I'm so hot. Please. It's hot. Right, okay.
Okay.
Ooh, another one of these little things.
Okay.
Okay, right. Inside we have...
Drum roll.
I'll take it all out and we'll go through it bit by bit. Okay.
I don't need my glasses on.
Okay. Right, we've got...
What is it first?
Another one. Oh, what the tickets are?
Yeah, what is it for? Why are we dressed up like this?
Oh, okay, right. You can have the big reveal on this one. Go on, you can tell these wonderful people what we've got.
Okay. We've got these tickets are, and just see them here. See them? And another one. And another one. And another one.
Sounds like a song's about to start, doesn't it?
And the last one. And they are our tickets for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party that we're going to in September.
Yep.
Where we go on holiday.
Yep.
So what else did we get in there? Anything else
We've
exciting?
got lots more. We've got another one of these. We can start giving these away. We've got so many of them now. Right, you can go through them.
Oh, so we've got the usual tips and tricks. Tickets come from Attraction Direct because we're staying off site again this year.
Another one of those little videos.
And
Or DVDs. Videos. Let's go back a few years, isn't it? Videos.
We've got another DVD.
Yeah.
And do we get any freebies?
No, is that? I'm not sure.
Okay, so that's a SeaWorld ticket, 3 for 2.
Yeah, I think it's buy one get
if you
one
want
free.
to.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Anything
just the
else?
usual sort of.
Oh, and then we've got Florida Mile.
And the Blue Man.
And yeah, and ticket for Blue Man Group. It's a discount ticket, isn't it?
Yeah, 45% off. Yeah.
Okay, 45% off the box office price there. Okay, so that's just a quick share there with you. Just want to say again, thank you for everybody that's been watching our channel, and anyone that's subscribed to us. Not long to go now.
No.
No, so if you want to follow us, we're going to be vlogging the whole of the holiday for the first time. We're doing regular vlogs on everything Disney, Universal up till then, as we count down.
And a few more surprises before that, but we'll show them and reveal them at the time.
Yeah, we got a few more surprises as well. Okay, so it's ta-ta for now.
Ta-ta for now. Bye-bye.
Don't like hearing noises, especially when there ain't supposed to be any. Yeah, sort of spooky like.